If you've been looking for the ultimate 3D printing experience that bridges the gap between plug-and-play simplicity and professional-grade performance, the QIDI Q2 3D printer 2025 upgrade is the powerhouse you've been waiting for. This machine is engineered to take you from your very first print to complex, high-engineering grade projects without ever feeling like you've outgrown your hardware. The Q2 brings a new level of maturity to the FDM space, packing features that usually require expensive, industrial-grade setups into a sleek, accessible, and incredibly fast package. Here is why the 2025 QIDI Q2 is the gold standard for your workspace. Engineering-grade reliability. The standout feature is the 65 degrees Celsius actively heated chamber. This is a game-changer for printing tricky, high-strength materials like ABS, ASA, and polycarbonate. By keeping the chamber warm, you eliminate warping and ensure structural integrity in every single layer. Blazing high speed. Don't let your ideas wait. With a max speed of 600 millimeters per second, you can produce high-quality prototypes and functional parts in a fraction of the time compared to standard printers, without sacrificing that crisp, professional finish. Effortless operation. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro, the full auto leveling system removes the biggest headache in 3D printing. Just hit print and let the Q2 handle the calibration. Plus, the AI camera allows you to monitor your prints remotely and even detects failures, saving you time and wasted filament. Breathable design. The ultra-air filtration system is a massive plus for home studios or offices. It filters out the fumes and microparticles produced during printing, making it safe and comfortable to use the printer in your living space. Perfect build volume. With a 270 by 270 by 256 millimeters build volume, you have the space to print larger functional assemblies, mechanical parts, or detailed decor, all while staying within a footprint that fits perfectly on a standard desk or workbench. Whether you are printing custom replacement parts, intricate artistic models, or functional tools for the home, the QIDI Q2 is built to be a reliable partner that grows with your skills. It's quiet, incredibly fast, and gives you the creative freedom to print materials you likely couldn't even touch on a standard, open-frame printer. If you are finally ready to stop fiddling with your machine and start turning your designs into reality with professional results, you can find the best price for the 2025 QIDI Q2 by clicking the link below.